I fucked up. So the door fits good enough. I got this for free from Cam, and it didn't come with hinges. So I'm using old hinges that are probably bent, and the door is rubbing in all weird spots. So it's probably the hinges, and also probably needs to be pulled a little bit, but I don't want to do anything until we get new hinges on it and then kind of go from there. With all that being said, Miata's going out into hibernation for a little bit. We won't be drifting for a while, probably a couple months. The next event that's planned is No Star Bash. Other than that, I don't have anything else planned. The last couple months since like September has been pretty rough. That's why there hasn't been regular working on car videos. Had a job change, and then also my wife is pregnant, so it's been hectic. And she's due in May, so 2 months. And before, like, a long time ago, I was supposed to have a lot of cars done before we even were getting pregnant. So I haven't been held up to my side of the deal. That's another reason why this guy is going on hibernation for a little bit, and we got to get some cars going. We will be ramping up the content of building cars, hopefully. And I also have a special car coming that I'm getting for free, and it's gonna be sick. And hopefully it'll be some really, really good content. Leave in the comments what you think it is. I doubt anyone will guess it, but I'm interested to see if anyone can get even close. With all that being said, I'm good. You don't have to worry about me. I just kind of want to give y'all an update on everything. I'm not quitting YouTube or anything, just kind of figuring this stuff out as I go, like with anything in life. But yeah, Miata is back on the road-ish. I appreciate anyone who stayed this long to kind of listen to me ramble. With all that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.